Last time we discussed what are the myths and misconceptions we have regarding marketing and what works for a small business. Today, taking the next step, we need to understand what is the practical approach in marketing for a small business to give us the desired results. So let us welcome again Kripanand Chidambaram, the business head of Mark Creating, to share insights on this. Hope you all learn and implement this in your business to get the desired results.
मार्केटिंग मीन्स मोर बिजनेस. मतलब आप मार्केटिंग यूज कर रहे हो और आपको बिजनेस नहीं बढ़ रहा है, मतलब समथिंग इज गोइंग रॉन्ग. एंड मार्केटिंग इज नॉट एन एक्सपेंस. मार्केटिंग शुड बी सीन एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट. So whenever you are trying to invest anything in your business, at least minimum 10x उसका returns आपको देखना है. 10x is the bare minimum. जितना उससे ज़्यादा होगा, it's always good. So that means, let us say if you have a 1 crore का top line या turnover का target है in the coming year. So let's say next financial year को आप target रख रहे हो कि मुझे 1 crore का business करना है. So that essentially means that आपको at least 10%, 10 lakh का you need to have a marketing budget. So what you start and need to do is that whenever you're trying to do a pricing, marketing as a component आप रखना स्टार्ट कीजिए. So that is why many of us find it very expensive because suddenly इतना कोई बोल रहा है मेरे को हाँ वेबसाइट बनाना है तो इतना कॉस्ट लगेगा, एक वीडियो शूट करना है तो इतना कॉस्ट आएगा, and we never budgeted that. So हमें कभी भी लगता है यार expensive है. So whenever you do any pricing, whether it is a product you're selling or a service you're rendering, उसमें start keeping this marketing as a component. So you have your raw material expenses, those expenses सब कुछ होगा. तो 10% is an ideal number. Again, marketing budget depends upon different industries and different stages of businesses. So many industry mein it can go as high as 18 to 20% of your overall turnover. In many cases, it can be as low as 4 to 5%. So it actually varies. But मैं बोला एक ballpark figure about 10% of the turnover is something you can essentially look at. Okay, now how do you approach this? Now, having understood that marketing is more business and marketing is an investment, that means I have to essentially ensure जो जहाँ मैं invest कर रहा हूँ मेरे पैसे को वो सही लोगों के साथ कर रहा हूँ, सही तरह से उसको यूज हो रहा है. Now let's say if you're investing in stock or in equities or even in a property, आप उसका due diligence करोगे, like right locality, right builder, right growth potential, वो सब assess करके ही you will try to invest that money. The same thing is what you need to also do when you're trying to invest this money and ensuring that you get these minimum 10x returns on it. So since it's very complicated, मैं उसको एक very simplified approach I would recommend it. In fact, this is the approach I have been adopting for my own business and to many of my clients. And 99% of the time I would say it works and gives you results. And आपको एक mind में भी एक clarity आ जाएगा, तो mind scattered नहीं रहेगा. There is a fixed direction you gain out of this idea. Okay, now when we try to approach this, I would try to break this into 3 parts. Whenever you're looking at a marketing strategy or whenever you're trying to invest your money, look at 3 stages. One is the lowest hanging fruit. पहला जो आपके हाथ का जो नजदीक है उसको पहला हम कवर करेंगे through our marketing efforts. Second is somebody who's looking for services, उनको करेंगे. So let me first start with the immediate or the lowest hanging fruit. I should get more business from my existing contact sphere. So essentially that is word of mouth. I need to ensure that word of mouth works for me, and that should be your first target audience. ठीक है? So let's say most of us have been in the business for last 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. कोई next generation का business है. So by that we have built a lot of contact sphere. And I'm not saying all of them are your existing clients or your past clients. It could be a simple contact. Maybe you would have met someone in a networking event, आप कार्ड एक्सचेंज किए होंगे उनके साथ, and some sort of a credibility, some sort of a rapport आपने उनसे establish किया. At least they know your company, or they know what services, some sort of a credibility has got established. Correct? The first thing you need to try doing is tap into this contact sphere. सबसे ज़्यादा energy उसी में जाना चाहिए. For example, many of us what we do is that हम branding करते हैं, promote करते हैं, but let us understand branding, promotion is a very very long term affair. It's a very very expensive affair. Now let's say somebody is talking about mobile wallet. So immediately हमें अभी Paytm का नाम याद रहता है, but Paytm उसको करने के लिए what they've done, they spent billions of rupees, IPL sponsor किया, left right center commercials किया है, so then they're able to build that recall and everything. So all of us are small businesses, we don't have that kind of deep pockets or that kind of money कि हम बैठ के brand recall create करें. But now already people know me, maybe it could be 100 people, 500 people, 1000 people, 10,000 people in this 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year span or this one generation span. At least उस segment को let me create that brand recall, and that is very easy and it is very inexpensive to do that. मुझे जाके एक mass segment में करना है, it is impossible to do that, or it is very expensive to do that. But if I have a smaller segment and जो भी मेरे contact sphere है वो मेरे industry के relevant लोग ही रहेंगे, मेरे relevant target audience ही रहेंगे, तो I will put all my energy to ensure that at least this 5, 10, 15 or whatever the 1,000 people who know you, उनके साथ मैं best of the best rapport करूँ, correct? So how do you do that? There are two very simple things you can try to do to ensure that top of the mind brand recall हो. Every time you need to keep hammering about your product, your services, what you have done. So many times क्या हो जाता है? Let us say you are an architect. आपने architectural services start किया, let's say 15 years back. Now, when you started, let's say you had a client and you did a good job and he knows you well now, and जो 15 साल आप पहले उनके साथ स्टार्ट किया और अभी आपके बीच में जमीन आसमान का फर्क हुआ होगा, करेक्ट? The way you started your business and the way you are today, you would have grown very well, you would have a new technology, new ideas, new capabilities आप build किए होंगे, correct? But the person who knew you 15 years back still knows you by that capability. Maybe you are a fresher, you just started your venture, they will have your slot कि अच्छा ये so and so person का services इस slot पे. Now let's say that business owner has grown big and he is doing a very huge showroom कर रहा है, he might not contact you now because he sees that अच्छा उस छोटा shop के लिए वो interiors कर सकता है, but now I'm doing a massive showroom or something, maybe he will not contact you because he doesn't know you now. Or he doesn't know your capability well. No, he might know you as a person, but उनका capability का credibility communicate नहीं हुआ, correct? So it is very important that you constantly be in touch with your contacts where उनको nurture करे. Just keep updating about what you have achieved, what are your milestones, what is your capabilities, testimonials, case studies, all those things उनको continuously top of the mind recall होगा. एक तो वो होगा, so they'll give you more business. Second way to tap from your contacts where is it? They will become your brand ambassadors. They will become your sales channel. They will become your referral channels. So essentially many times क्या हम लोग as a community हैं, business owners, बहुत लोग आके पूछते हैं, अरे यार मैं एक showroom setup कर रहा हूँ, do you know any good architect? So what happens is अच्छा मैंने एक email देखता हूँ या something I'm constantly in touch with that person, तो मुझे immediately उसका reference हम देंगे because I understand that credibility and top of the mind recall है, so I will definitely share that person. In fact, I'll give a very classic here. In fact, in our office 4 years back we hired an interior designer and he did a fairly good job. Now, so we took a new unit in the same building and we wanted to obviously build up those workstations and everything. तो उस टाइम पे I wanted to contact the same interior designer and for some reason I had stored this number in his first name and I didn't store like interior designer or something like that. Now I wanted to contact him and by no clue I cannot recollect his name. So a simple thing like had he been in touch with me, एक simple happy new year greetings या happy Diwali करता, कुछ तो exchange होता, some newsletter he had shared, some WhatsApp exchange होता, तो definitely मेरा top of the mind recall होगा and I would have definitely given this opportunity to him and I would have checked with him, yaar, would you be able to do this work session for me also? So that is how these things come up. So how do you, many things you can do to do this, but let me give you simple tips कि आपके existing contacts sphere में क्या कर सकते हैं. There are simple inexpensive things we can do. One is we can have something like a newsletter. It sounds very simple or very cliche लगता है यार एक newsletter मैं तो नहीं पढ़ता हूँ, but always remember when I say newsletter has to be sent to a person who know you and know your brand or know you already. I'm not talking about sending a newsletter to someone who doesn't know you. That's bulk mailing and that's a different ball game altogether. I'm not referring to that. People who already know you, the percentage of them opening your newsletter is very very high. So it's as high as 28 to 30%. So that means आप 100 लोगों को आप भेजोगे, 30 लोग इस मंथ में आपका मेल खोल के देखेंगे एंड व्हाटएवर, एक वेरी वेरी सिंपलिस्टिक एंड शुड नेवर अपीयर स्पैमी, बहुत उसको ये मत करो, एक वेरी आई प्लीजिंग इंफॉर्मेटिव वेबसाइट बना के उनको भेज दिए, देयर इज अ गुड चांस दैट उनके माइंड में वो एस्टैब्लिश होता रहेगा, जब नीड होगा definitely they will contact. In fact, I can also one more personal example on this. Say we had a tie-up relationship with a bulk SMSing service provider, and recently somehow for some reason we were not happy with their services, and I want to shift to someone else. But I had met one SMS service provider some time back in some networking event. He was regularly sending me these newsletters. Obviously, I never paid attention to that newsletter because I'm already being serviced by someone. But जब मेरा सर्विस बंद हो गया या हम बंद कर रहे थे and we were looking for an alternative service provider, suddenly, I mean, that's our part of our brain and our mind. So suddenly I felt, I went to my email inbox, I searched for it, and I could find that service provider. We ended up doing a business. So those are the things we can do. So एक तो newsletters आप monthly भेज दीजिए. Then I would rather suggest that when you are looking at social media also, don't try to create post for somebody who doesn't know you. Always try to create a post for people who already know you. So it has to be more like an engaging for your existing customers, existing contacts here. So, and again, as culturally, आप क्या कीजिए, whenever you meet a person, tell them, okay, this is my business card and these are my social channels. Let us stay in touch. That is something you need to start consciously doing. And also you can do some sort of a WhatsApp broadcast monthly once. आपका ब्लॉग सबको भेज सकते हो आप, अगेन गिफ्ट्स भेज सकते हो, आप कोई इवेंट कर रहे हो तो इवेंट में इनवाइट कीजिए. सो दीज आर फ्यू थिंग्स यू कैन डू सो दैट आपके एग्जिस्टिंग कॉन्टैक्ट्स को आप अच्छे से नर्चर कर पा रहे हो एंड यू आर एबल टू गेट कंटिन्यूअस रेफरेंस एंड दे बिकम योर sales channel. Now let me quickly move to the second one. एक हो गया lowest hanging fruit. Next segment you need to nurture or you need to target is when people are looking for services, I need to be discovered. That is something you need to looking at. Correct? First is that मैं अपने आप को segment को nurture कर रहा हूँ. Second is that let's say I have a dental problem. Now I want to immediate requirement होगा. Okay, I'm looking for a dentist. Correct? So if I want to look for a dentist, how would I typically look at? Either I may call my friends. So that is essentially word of mouth, so which is getting covered in the first one. Second is that I might go to Google. Simplest thing is that Google में जा रहा nearest dentist है. Or I might go, if it is a specialized dental treatment ऐसा कुछ है तो they might go to certain forums and search and all those things. उस time पे we need to ensure that our company is discovered or my brand is discovered or my products or services are discovered. So essentially 2-3 things you can do. One is Google search optimization, all those things. Google में somebody is searching, वो category में जब when they are searching the nearest dentist, तब Google मेरे company को recommend करना चाहिए. Correct? So that is something we need to do. Similarly, forums, all इसमें सब बहुत active ले रही है. All these classified listings also, just dial, India Mart, जहाँ हो रहा है. Relevant आपके industry है, उसमें भी they need to ensure that you are discovered. Correct? So there, as I said, there are 2-3 things you should do: search engine optimization, classified listing, and respective forums. वो बहुत सारे जो ऑनलाइन नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स होते हैं, लाइक से IMC चेंबर्स होगा, ये चेंबर्स रेलेवेंट चेंबर्स में यू नीड टू बी वेरी एक्टिव. तो जब रिक्वायरमेंट होगा तब दे कैन डिस्कवर. Now I'll come to the third and the final one. I need to take my product services to the right target audience. So in this case क्या है, first is segmentation is very very important because we have limited budgets we have here. So you need to define who is my segment. There is something called as brand persona. So you need to imagine मेरे कस्टमर कैसा दिखता है, कैसा बिहेव करता है, उसके बिहेवियर, परचेज बिहेवियर क्या है. So that is part of a brand persona. It's very very important that you create a brand persona and you need to know, अच्छा ये जो मेरे ये brand persona है, ये जो customer segment है, वो अभी कहाँ मिलेगा, उसका बिहेवियर कहाँ है, where can I find them. ठीक है? So that is something you need to define, and these people are available. I mean, even as business owners, we spend a lot of time in Facebook, we spend a lot of time in Instagram, YouTube, all these social channels पे हम active हैं, and these social channels are very very powerful. They know everything about us, what we speak, as we क्या कर रहे हैं, we have क्या हमारा interest क्या है, मेरा पिज़्ज़ा का कौन सा favorite पिज़्ज़ा है, कौन सा movie space है, everything they know, correct? So then as a service provider or as a brand or as a product company, in fact we can use this data and effectively target our products and services to our in fact Facebook and Google and all these are so powerful कि आप pin code wise कर सकते हो, age wise कर सकते हो, उनके interest wise कर सकते हैं. Let us say I want to target in my brand person, I have defined that कि frequent travelers जो हैं वो मेरा products use कर सकते हैं. So we can go to Google or we can go to Facebook and say that okay, show my ad or show my communication only to that set of people. वो भी हो सकता है. It's very nominal budgets में भी हो सकता है. आपको almost 50 to 60 पैसा maximum 1 rupee में you will able to take your communication to that person. So it's a very affordable thing. A lot of us feel like it is very expensive. कुछ नहीं. 8,000, 10,000, 20,000 का भी monthly budget रखोगे. Your communication, you can reach your target audience to almost 10,000 people, 20,000 people a month. So I would say again, these are all inexpensive ways. I am done. Thank you.
PLL session. Glad to be here.
PLL.
So glad to be part of
PLL.